Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025 Acura TLX A-Spec SH-AWD drive. Nice car right here, pretty much the same as the 2024. This has the red interior with the ultra suede inserts, as it's the A-Spec, of course. You have a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. It's not power, it's manual. You have the digital gauge cluster with the bigger screen from the MDX. You have the true touchpad interface, and you have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Pretty nice. And then I like to make the put the gauges in crafted. You have ventilated and heated front seats. ELS Studio 3D 16 speaker sound system. This is finished in urban gray pearl. It reminds me of Dravid gray on BMW with the gold flake. Really nice color. Frameless diamond pentagon grille. Shark gray wheels. It's a really good looking car. You have Michelin tires. Super handling all-wheel drive, of course. Dual outlet exhausts. Here's your trunk space. Gloss black deck lid spoiler. Capless fuel filling system. Here are your rear seats. Here's a window sticker. $52,195 is the total vehicle price on the window sticker. You have the same engine and powertrain, 272 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque, 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Pretty familiar, as it's been, you know, the TLX and RDX both share the same powertrain. Here's your key fob. You have remote start. Here's your reverse camera, pretty good resolution. You do not get a 360 camera, but you do get parking sensors. And of course, with 2024 and 2025 models, there's no more advanced package. You just have, or base model, you just have the tech package A-Spec and Type S. They streamlined the lineup on the TLX. Nice acceleration, very smooth. Quick 10-speed automatic transmission. And of course you have Acura's amazing super handling all-wheel drive, one of the best all-wheel drive systems in the industry in my opinion. I have yet to test drive a 2024 2025 TLX Type S because of how uncommon they are. They're very hard to come by. They're just really limited in terms of production, and they sell, and they're pretty much pre-sold all the time. Even the TLX in general, they're pretty hard to come by, the 2025 models. As there's a lot more production on the Integra to be the main sedan for Acura. But yeah, I really do think this is the best color combo on the A-Spec. Urban gray pearl is a beautiful color. It looks very premium. And literally, as I said, Dravid gray is one of my favorite BMW colors, and this looks literally exactly like that with the gold flake. I love it. Very smooth ride, very comfortable, seats are nice, visibility is good. Classic Acura right here. And the ELS sound system is one of the best I've heard It's really, really good, especially for the class. I think the ELS system's very underrated. It sounds better to me than even like some Bang & Olufsen sound systems, which is interesting because the newer Acuras have Bang & Olufsen, but it's good, but I really like ELS. I love it. It's really, really good. And it's a lot better than Harman Kardon. Like, it's up there in terms of quality. Like, even in the tech package, which will have a 12-speaker sound system, it still sounds fantastic. Quick engine response when you put your foot down, always a nice thing to see. You also have adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist in this product. It's a very enjoyable car to drive, that's for sure. I really love the flat bottom steering wheel, it's real nice. My overall nice car. It definitely stands out. It's a really good looking sedan. It drives really nice. Perfect amount of comfort, plus a little bit of sportiness to it as well, in terms of both styling and driving experience. It's a nice car. And I don't know if it's just me, but like the, what do you call the sound when you hit the chime for when you hit the turn signal sounds quieter. It's nice. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for